Hello everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to create a QR code using a video. This is so cool. QR codes are so cool. You can send people to any place you want them to consume your content, whether it's an event, a live stream, a master class, coaching, or a video. You can even create a video resume and send it to someone so that they can learn more about you. So today we're going to create a QR code using a YouTube video. So let's get started. We're going into QR code Monkey 1 because it's free, and 2 because there's really cool features that you can use inside of QR code Monkey to create your QR code. As you see at the top here, there's different types of QR codes that you can create, but today we're going to focus on YouTube so that we can add in a YouTube video. Like I said, you can create any type of video that you want your customer, your audience to consume. Today, we're going to use a YouTube video that has productivity music and specifically holiday productivity music. So we're going to copy this and go back over to QR code Monkey and enter our YouTube URL. So in QR code Monkey, this is a video that they will be able to consume when scanning the QR code. We can set the colors if we want to use branding colors. You can do that if you have the hex codes for your colors. You can use those specific hex codes to get your branding precise. I'm going to add blue for one color. And for the second color, I'm going to add an orange. These aren't my specific hex code branding colors, but these are my branding colors. You can either choose linear gradient or you can choose radial gradient. My preference is linear gradient, and I'll show you what both of those look like once we get to the finished product. And if you want to add a logo image, you can definitely do that. And I'll just show you what that looks like. You can either have it with no logo, if you want to upload your branding logo, your company logo, image, an affirmation statement, whatever you want. I'm just going to upload an image here that is the productivity music playlist. And if you wanted to remove the background behind the logo, you could by clicking this, checking this box right here, but I'm not going to do that for this particular example. And then you can go to customize the design of your QR code. You can choose from any of the body shapes here, the iframe shape, as well as the eyeball shape of your QR code, which is so cool. Typically, you see the squares, which is cool in and of itself, but you can change it up a little bit. So let's just go with the circles here. I'm going to choose this one that has the larger circles. I'm going to choose the iframe as a circle, and the eyeball shape, I'm going to choose this 9-grid circle here as well. So now let's go to the green button that says create QR code, and it's going to show you exactly what that looks like. So here's your customized QR code that you can use for your audience, and it has the picture that we added in the middle. So as promised, I want to show you the difference between linear gradient and radial gradient. So let's click on radial gradient and then create QR code. So as you can see, the color changes all the way around the QR code. Like I said, my preference is linear gradient because you can see the colors better. You can see the change, the drastic change even better. Cool, right? So let's download our PNG of this QR code and let's add it to a graphic so that our audience will know how to get this product. So I'm going to go over in Canva, and let's just create a design. Let's create an animated social media graphic, something for the holiday. Well, let's go with this first one right here. So you can say, keep the holiday spirit alive by scanning below or I'll just say by scanning below. Make this a little bit smaller. And then I'll say for holiday tunes. So now we can upload our QR code that we downloaded, which is right here. And then we'll populate this right over into our bubble. So let's move this down. We can make this a little bit bigger. So keep the holiday spirit alive by scanning below for holiday tunes. I feel like I need an arrow, or let's do an animated arrow. Let's do an arrow sticker. And let's try this one. We'll put it up here so that people will know to scan below. Okay, so I think we need more details. Keep the holiday spirit alive by scanning below for holiday tunes. I think I want to search for scan codes under elements just so everyone will know to scan this with their phone. Let's use this picture at the bottom so that we can write a message at the bottom. Let's see. I'm going to duplicate this text right here. And I'm going to change the color so that it will stand out a little bit better. And then I'm going to say, scan the QR code with your smartphone. That way, everyone knows exactly what to do. Awesome, right? So now I want to pull up my phone so that you can see how this will look if someone's scanning this on their phone. I want to show you what this looks like because it's so cool. And of course, this is how to create a QR code with a video, just so that you can know exactly how to send your audience to the place that you want them to be. If you have a new live stream that you want them to see, a new masterclass that you want them to see, or even if you have a holiday video that you want to share with them, similar to what we're doing right here, if you want to share that with them. And you can try this on your business cards, your brochures, your flyers, your email as well, wherever you want to display this for your customers. So I have my phone here, and I'm going to minimize this just a little bit so that I can, let's go back to QR code monkey so that I can move this right here. So I'm going to go to my phone so that I can show you exactly what this is going to look like once I scan it. On most smartphones, you'll be able to go right into your camera so that you can scan a QR code. So if I hover this over the QR code, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Oh, it says open in YouTube. So then you'll be able to see exactly now once my phone reads the QR reader, and let's get my camera back on screen so that you can see that again. So I'm going into my camera so that you'll be able to see when I scan the QR code, it says open in YouTube. So if I click on that, it's going to open to my productivity music playlist, which is productivity music playlist number 1. And it's not going to play right now, of course, because it's connected to the AirPlay so that I can show you what happens when you do actually click on the QR code. So how cool is that? Creating a QR code with a video. I encourage you to try this with business cards, brochures, flyers, emails, posts, whatever you want to share and wherever you want to send your audience, you can do that with QR codes.